Dave's rocking one. He's rocking one at the boat.
Topwater frog.
Topwater frog just produced nicely back here at Kite Corner. Oh, I love it. Looking beautiful.
Hey, it paid off.
I love it. Lobs it back in, like has no respect for the fish itself. I mean, that's a fish with feelings. Fish have feelings, right?
Oh yeah.
I feel fishy and I have feelings.
Oh, sure.
This is a fish. This is a sad fish. It's my sad fish. Sad fish fish.
Topwater frog pays off.
Oh, go on, Topwater frog. Go back over there.
Way back in there.
That's right where I was telling him to go. You'll catch one back there. You watch.